It is Friday, April 11th, 2014. It is 9:48 a.m. It's all in quiet right now, but it wasn't so quiet earlier this morning. Take a look. That's just a sampling of what happened today. I will show you the rest of that video, but first, let's look back to yesterday, Thursday, April 10th. I had 2 meals from McDonald's, and check out everything else from yesterday. Today is Thursday, April 10th, 2014. It is 7:42 a.m. I have the next 2 days off of work, and you know what I like to do when I don't have to work for some time? I take my clock because I don't really need it, and I unplug it. Don't have to work for the next 2 days. I don't need to worry about the time. I need these next 2 days off. I'm worn out. I haven't had a vacation, I haven't had a vacation since last June, and I haven't had a request day off since January 3rd. So I need this time off. It's my little 2-day vacation, and seeing how it's going to be in the 60s and possibly 70s by the end of this weekend, how can I possibly go to work on a day like that? Today is Thursday, April 10th, 2014. It is 10:26 a.m. My day is just starting. I'm home now. It's lunchtime. I'm starving. I'm going to go upstairs and have me some lunch.
Yeah, he wants to try and keep that car, but I'm telling him no.
Oh, you
So
can.
I wanted him to ask you.
Sure.
Can you keep this?
You want any more cars in my room?
No, we'll do that next time.
Can you keep this under the
Yeah, you can keep it. Take it home.
sis?
Go home.
Do you give Uncle Ralph a hug?
And here's my lunch. McDonald. You try taking this cup out, the cup over here while I'm holding the camera at the same time. French fries. The chicken sandwich. Delicious.
or recess and transition time. Is a child irritable or grumpy or maybe volatile situations where they should not be? So there are maybe other factors that coincide with that shy kid or that introverted kid that are kind of red flags for something may be wrong.
So now I want to go to you, and this puts in perspective though, because I think that when these things happen, we sort of feel like one incident is a trend. I mean, the fact is it's good violence deaths between 1992 and 2011 are actually down.
Well, we're pumping gas, you got shot. You had near a middle school. That one of my cousins went to that middle school where he left a card back to tease law enforcement. But yeah, everybody down in that area of 35, 435, they are scared to death because of all those shootings. And a number of those 13 shootings all clustered in one area. All right, now.
Peter Ducey, thank you. Fox News alert again for you now. President Obama faces growing pressure from Democrats to approve the Keystone XL pipeline. 11 Senate Dems now calling on the president to make a final decision by the end of May, writing this.
I'm going to go chase down and see where those fire trucks are going. back home now. I had McDonald's for lunch, and now I'm going to have McDonald's again for dinner. I think this car needs to go through a car wash. Filthy car. It's a nice day. This one too. It's a nice day to go out and get a car wash. This one also needs a car wash. Supposed to be in the 60s and possibly 70s. Comes Saturday. 60s, 50s and 60s tomorrow. Possible 70s. Saturday. Want to push button? Want to push button? Go ahead. Here's my dinner. McDonald's McChicken, bacon, cheddar. Just without cheddar. Yes, I'm from Wisconsin, but I do not like cheese. I can eat cheese on pizza. Anything else, I will gag. Possibly vomit. It's so nice to have my windows open once again. A nice cool breeze on my feet. Feels real nice. Let's see, what's the temperature right now? That's actress Lucy Hale. I have her on my phone. See, it's 59 degrees. See if that's accurate. I'm playing Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm gonna punch someone. I'm dead. See now, it's 59 degrees right now, and it feels good on my feet. My window is going to stay open until about September or October. I hope this summer will be a hot one, a hot, sticky, muggy summer. That's what I want. That's how I like my summer. Today is Friday, April 11th, 2014. It is... what time is it? Oh yeah, I forgot. I unplugged the clock. It's 7:18 a.m. right now. Watching The Office DVD. I am also listening to a train outside somewhere. I'm also playing Grand Theft Auto. And I'm enjoying a cup full of M&M's and some Reese's Pieces. My day is just getting started. Today, I might treat myself to a movie. Not sure what I'm going to see, but I'm going to see a movie today. And after that, don't know yet. Unknown reason, my apartment's fire alarm is going off. I called 911, fire department's on the way. So far, no smoke, no flames. Something has triggered the fire alarm here. Here they are.
You called me?
I did.
I go back up there. Hello. Hi.
Not even joking. 15 minutes after we left, all the fire alarms started going off throughout the apartment. I'm sitting outside with my shorts.
The firemen are right here.
Everything's good.
All right, perfect.
Thanks, guys.
Do you live on site?
I do live on
Oh,
site,
nice.
yeah.
Good.
So,
Excellent.
anything like this, usually you'll be seeing here.
Good.
I don't know what started it, but I do smell something down here. Whoever set it off. Interesting start to this morning. It's Friday, April 11th, 2014. It's 8:13 a.m. I bet. I think it started out in the garage somewhere. Yeah, I can smell something down there. Thinking maybe an elevator or someone's car. You see that new police vehicle, the fire vehicle out there?
No. What's that?
And after that little incident, that interesting morning with the fire alarm, my day is just beginning. I'm getting ready to go to the bank today a little bit and possibly go see a movie. Haven't decided on what movie to see yet. And my friend Jacqueline, I'm sure y'all seen her before. Take a look at this video.
Next time we'll share one.
Okay.
All right, I'll take this one home.
Okay.
Thank you, Ralph. That one's horrible, Ralph.
I know.
Give that to Jim. Isn't that horrible?
I never had this before. I thought it was like peppermint. I'm gonna put this one out later.
Oh, really? I'm out of practice. Hi, Ralph. Yeah, we're having fun.
Yep. I have to work tonight. I'm drunk.
Oh, well. Do you have the remote? Bye, Ralph.
This me and my friend Jacqueline. Thank
Yes,
you, Jacqueline.
we've been friends forever.
15 years.
Yep. All right. Oh yeah, you and Casey do us together. That's Jacqueline. Well, she wants to go down to Kickers tonight, just like the one you just saw in the video, the Kickers bar. So I think today's gonna be a good day.
Not only that, it's gonna be in the 60s. Nice warm weather. Tomorrow, possible 70s. Then after that comes Monday. The temperature is supposed to drop and possibly bring snow. I hate snow. And right now, I have to stop this right now because I had to go to the bathroom. What an interesting day so far, and it's only 9:35 a.m. What will today bring? We'll see. So far, it's a beautiful morning. It's real nice, hot and sunny, just the way I like it. I'm heading on down to the bank first, and then from there, library to upload my video to YouTube for all to see. Lots of construction going on here. Got some right here. And get road construction right over here. It's starting to get warm out. Spring is here. Summer's coming. That means construction is here too. Construction is upon us. Construction is going on right now. And it will be going throughout until about November. And I will cover some of the construction on here throughout my YouTube videos on Everyday Life with Ralph Powers Jr. Take a brief walk down to the gazebo. Then I'll go to the bank.